Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so what's going on today, guys? I haven't made a video in a while. I just posted one yesterday. That was a drift event that was actually 3 weeks ago. And today is just a video of this is the last weekend that Joe's gonna be in Florida. So he's actually going to the military and serving our country, which I support all the troops. My dad was in the military. And I just wanted a quick update. So I just realized, this Golf has a lot of work into it, and if I wanted the car I want, when I buy it, I should probably resell it in the future. I don't know what anybody else thinks about that, but just a little theory that I'm going on. Not to the point of today's video. I was trying to skate today, but that's probably not going to happen. We're probably going to go to my friend Brandon's shop and vape shop and chill. They're having a potluck, so that'll be cool to see and watch and all that. So we're heading there shortly, and Joe got a few things on his car, so yeah, we'll see that. You guys stay tuned. I'll see you shortly. It was also National Dogs Day the other day, and I didn't get to post my dog, so nobody's actually really seen my dog really either. So this is my dog Ruby. Come here, Ruby. Hey, what you doing? What you doing? Okay, guys. Okay, ratchet ass hood, ugly ass Audi, and this punk right here. We got this douche. Let's check out these stickers. I want to check out the stickers. What is it, like caramel varp? What is it, Joe? Tell the audience what it is.
It's fried watermelon.
Fried watermelon. In case you guys didn't know, I mean, like, have you guys ever noticed that we also had like Genesis headlights? Anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit.
And they see it down in price tag, 6,000. And then all of a sudden, before you sneeze, you got it down to 4,000.
What is that? What is that?
Honda Dream Garage Sales Event. Stop into Holler Honda and Classic Honda in Orlando, or visit us online at hollerhonda.com and classichonda.com today. Here's what's happening. Communities come together all across Central Florida.
Did you get it?
$1,100, Mike.
$20? That's how you do it. That's how you do it. All right, we're out here. We out here. We are actually out of here. So not we out here. We are actually out of here. So, anyways, that's it.
$5.
We're washing the car and the wheels. 'Cause I don't know what this is. But I'm gonna back off because kind of soft ass schnizzle is that? It's like shower water. But anyways, before we wash it, before we wash the car, we gotta get this reversed. Oh, it's in. Yeah. That's a 2017 ZL1. That camera's freaking a terrible. That's pretty cool to see.
It's okay, and we're all good when we're homies. Any problem you could call us, it's all love. It's all love. Charlie Bartlett, John Bender, class switcher, time bender, Chance Bennett, a peculiar name. Graduation night, teachers Ferris Bueller, my name. You made a mixtape? Good job. I hope you get a good job. We was all outcasts, only listen to Good Mob. I performed at Fun Fair. Fun fact, I'm never going back to school. Been there, see my little 10.
So we're here. Hector's over there. He is G35's over here. We didn't bring anything. So yeah, this is
Sorry, guys.
sorry, but
I leave like next.
we didn't bring anything, and this is it's kind of like a potluck. Not kind of like a potluck. It is a potluck. So
I feel like a dick if I walk in there with a soda too.
yeah, I'm just gonna walk in. No, I'm not bringing no tropical smoothie in there either. So I'm just gonna kind of be myself. And I look weird too because of the face thing, but I'm just gonna do what normal people do. So we'll see that in a sec. I'm gonna show you guys the cars that are here. So. Sick lineup.
You need to like turn your cars around. It's like everybody facing this way, and then me and Subi are facing that. What you doing?
This live streaming.
Oh. You got scared.
And the mold.
Green card, so I can't be able to get up like you.
Oh my god.
Your motor's dead. We need more gas.
Stronger.
Thank you.
Where's the rest of them? I'm kidding. Yo, what the? It's missing like 90%.
Thank you. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you. I would if it was full, you fucking no. I'm joking. I'm joking, guys. You guys will not believe what just happened. I had to record this, alright?
Record what she was talking.
I wish I would have had my phone up. So when we were leaving, we just got McDonald's to get a drink. We're heading to the meat still. But when we went there, this lady straight up tells us. She says, "Sir, are you aware that something is there's something red hanging out of the front of your car?" I straight up died. What the fuck was that? I hear turbo spools. Fucking RX. There's a shit ton of Subarus here, but luckily we got our vape, so we're good.
Got the vape.
You're also in front of a Mustang. Nothing wrong with that. That's cool. Oh, that shit's cold as fuck. Just slam into that Mustang, get in that bumper. That's got some fat tires on the back. Thing's got heavy whistle.
What the fuck does this do?
This is nice. This is how a car meet going to a car meet should be. That was fun, but the crew is back there. We're just trying to have fun with this Mustang. Keep in mind, this is Joe's last car meet here for a while. And it's by far one of the best ones. We've never done this. As many years we came here. This is our third year. We've never squatted up this big to a car meet. Ever. So this is crazy. But anyways, we're almost there. That was fun, the Mustang element. And he fucking launched the hell out of shit. My shit is clean as fuck. That dude's lights though. really trying to get dick, so. By far the coolest meet in Merritt Island I've been to. They're probably one of the car meet too. It's crazy. But anyways, we're here. I know this little guy, but it's right there. They're all pulling in there. $500. Bet my life. You're gonna see like 17 fucking Subarus trying to have the outfit. Oh nope, the Focus is going there too. What? I'll see you guys in there. A way to close out Joe's meet. There's a fucking semi here. Look at this meet. He did a burnout. I've never experienced Joe Car do a burnout. So this is a big ass meet, dude. This is a really big meet. I don't think I'm gonna film at all. This is too humiliating. And like I look like a cow too. This is crazy. This meet is fucking stupid, dude. This is crazy. There's a semi here. This is by far the biggest meet in Orlando. Or not Orlando, sorry, excuse me. Merritt Island. So, yeah. I know. This is stupid, dude. I don't know. It's an S15, guys. It's an S15. I'm just kidding, it's a 240 with an S15 front end. We're leaving now. This is a big meet, but we'll see you guys next time. So as I said today, again, this is the last video that Joe is going to be here because he's going into the military. So I'll probably make another slide-by clip on that sometime later this week, like a little montage of Joe for his well-being and you know actually being a friend. I did a lot of things with Joe. I did, for instance, my first race with Joe. Got my first car with Joe. He's a really good old friend. So I have to make a edit for him. And this is last weekend here. It was the biggest car meet in Merritt Island that we've ever been to by far. By far the coolest. 4 vehicles, or 4,000 horsepower vehicles were there, which we've never had at the same time in Merritt Island. And Django did a really good job of putting it all together. Yesterday was really fun with the potluck. The potluck got bigger as we left, but we didn't bring anything. And we also went to David's house, which is his brother, the person who built the Golf that I now own. He did that as well. So I just wanted to clarify all this up before I close the video. It was a pretty good video. I didn't get too much, and I'm kind of sad about that, but it's just the way I look right now and like the way like my camera is and how I'm feeling. It really wasn't the time for me to film. So like I hope you guys understand that for now, and there will be better content in the future. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for staying and holding off for so long. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.